What mistakes do you make when using the law of attraction? 1. Opinions shift from time to time. On the day, for example, you thought you really needed a good car, and then after a few hours or the next day, you changed your mind, deciding that you needed and wanted to attract into your life another type of car, or something completely different, and so on, and in the end, you get nothing and blame and vent on the law of attraction. The error you made was a big one. How do you want to attract something into your life that you're unsure about, aren't sure you need, and most of the time don't need enough of? 2. Opposing the present situation. You have lost patience when you oppose your existing reality and become furious because you need to alter it right now. In reality, you focus your feelings on the current bitter reality while ignoring the most important tool for activating the law of attraction, which is accepting the current reality, which ensures you focus your feelings on what you want to attract. 3. False statements. You have determined what you want to attract into your life with confidence and clarity, and you are a positive person who enjoys patience and waiting, but you do not succeed in attraction because you may attract things that are diametrically opposed to what you want, and as this continues, you may feel tired and exhausted, and even hate attraction. The mistake you are making. It is not evident this time. You must seek between the words you speak and the phrases you utter. You will undoubtedly find phrases that you repeat to yourself or to those around you, and these phrases are negative, and they are the ones that obstruct attraction. 4. You concentrate on what you don't want. You may be more than 100% certain of what you want to attract. Accept your reality, and repeat affirmations that you believe will help you attract what you want, but this time you are attracting the opposite of what you want, the opposite of 100%, which leaves you perplexed as to why something different happens to you for what you want. The mistake you are making is too large to be called a mistake. It is a catastrophe. In fact, even though you are certain of what you want and are not hesitant or fickle about it, you will attract what you do not want because your subconscious mind does not understand the word no and focuses on what you do want. 5. Not accepting responsibility. While blaming others or circumstances for all the negative things that happen to you, and every time you lose, mourn, or fail, you will be unable to activate the law of attraction. In this situation, you are not attempting to modify your attitudes and beliefs that are preventing you from attaining your goals. You are not convinced that you are the source of your own thoughts and opinions. 6. Ignoring opportunity and work. You are a really positive person. You pay attention to your way of talking and positive affirmations. You are an optimist. You do the exercises of attraction and everything you know about attraction every day, but you do not get the results that you want, despite the fact that you are patient and have a high ability to wait for what you want. The waiting here is a mistake. The law of attraction is not just a feeling of hope or the idea that this can happen, and all you have to wait for is a feeling of hope. This is not the core of the law of attraction. The law of attraction provides you with the means, opportunities, and ways that will make you achieve your goal in the right way. 7. Not giving enough. You wait, and you wait some more, simply waiting, without doing anything, and the law of attraction does not operate, as if the power button is broken, which may be frustrating and may make you unable to continue the attraction. The error of not doing enough, and not giving enough is what disturbs the law of attraction. By not doing enough, you send the message that you are unworthy. The remedy is simple: attempt to adjust some of your habits and your manner of doing things in order to achieve what you desire. 8. Waiting for great things to happen all at once. The mistake is expecting great and gigantic things all at once. It is your responsibility to wait for big and excellent things, but it is not a requirement that they arrive all at once. They may come in groups, or many opportunities, or several ideas, but if you reject these pieces, the total will not come. 9. Experimenting with the law of attraction. You did not triumph because of one modest and easy thing. It is a one-word experiment. When you decide to test the law of attraction, you set a 50% or higher possibility of failure, and therefore you will not gain anything. You must trust the efficacy of the law of attraction and your capacity to transform your life. The remedy is to abandon the concept of experimentation, that is, attempting not to try. You must be certain that you will receive the desired outcomes.